Trump showed up at the Supreme Court and gave Gorsech the surprise of the century. President Donald Trump visited the Supreme Court today on Thursday for the first time since getting Neil Gorsech into office. Today is the day that Neil Gorsech officially took his seat. He did it right as the court starts to mull what to do with the block ban on travelers from 6 Muslim-majority countries.
It's his first visit to the Supreme Court as justices are weighing what to do with his ban on travelers from 6, mostly Muslim countries. But the reason for today's visit is purely ceremonial. It's to install Justice Neil Gorsech on the bench. Correspondent Mark Irons reports from the White House. Good evening, Mark.
Good evening, Lauren. The fate of the travel ban will soon be in the hands of Neil Gorsech and the other 8 justices. The Supreme Court is giving the Trump administration more time to file legal papers in the president's bid to reinstate the order. While it's caused a lot of controversy, Trump has won widespread praise for appointing Gorsech to the bench. Today is the formal investiture of Associate Justice Neil Gorsech. The ceremony happens behind closed doors, away from cameras. It typically takes place before a new justice's first day on the bench, but Gorsech was confirmed and sworn in on a tight schedule. The court now has a slim conservative majority and could make a decision on the president's travel ban as soon as next week. Some critics say the policy's 90-day halt to visitors from Iran, Yemen, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Libya is due to expire in mid-June, even though the ban itself has never taken effect. The administration argues the clock doesn't start until the policy is put in place. President Trump had no official role in today's ceremony, but presidents often make the trip to the court from the White House to honor their nominees. Justice Neil Gorsech fills the seat held for nearly 30 years by Justice Antonin Scalia, who died in 2016.
And this is also, Mark, a big week for Justice Gorsech in more ways than one. He was the author of a unanimous decision in favor of a company involved in a debt collection dispute.
That's right. Justice Gorsech issued his first Supreme Court opinion on Monday. He's been applauded for staying true both to what he promised in his nomination hearing in terms of his opinion and to his reputation for good writing, a reputation he earned as an appellate judge. Lauren.
Correspondent Mark Irons at the White House. Thank you, Mark.
Scalia, who died very mysteriously. Gorsech was confirmed by the Senate and sworn in on April. Trump is celebrating because he restored the court's 5-4 conservative majority. Trump didn't speak. The court is considering an emergency request from Trump's administration that is seeking to put the travel ban in effect. That's why Obama was so adamant about getting in his own judge so they can rule. Federal judges in Maryland and Hawaii have blocked Trump's travel ban currently. Share this if you want Trump's ban to get passed. We need to keep this country safe, and that is what Trump is trying to do. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.